G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is May 3rd, 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. I've got the daily and the weekly charts are showing a neutral positioning in terms of going long or short, so no positions to be taken. So what that means is, if we look at the weekly first, this indicator combines the triple moving average of the price chart, and that's moving average 60, 3 and 5, along with the moving average of the CCI 150, and that's 5 and 50. So when they're both in bullish momentum, that gives you a bullish signal. So you go long during that period, during those weeks. When it's when they're showing negative or bearish momentum, you go short. And when they're zero, like they are at the moment, you don't go long or short. You hold off and avoid trading. So that's the weekly, and the same applies to the daily at the bottom here. So again, the daily is showing a neutral positioning. What I've done here is I've also drawn a support at 34.90 and a resistance at 41.93, and in amongst that I've got a couple of diagonal ascending and descending trend lines. If I zoom out, you can see along those tops that descending line, and along those bottoms this ascending line. So you'll notice it's actually bounced off that descending line for a number of days, and then it's bounced off the resistance, and we're coming back now towards this ascending diagonal. So the first step will be if it may bounce off that, or it may break through that, and we'll see if it's then going to break through this secondary support level. So at the moment, avoid going long or short. And what the hourly looks like, and again, when trading, you should trade lower time frames than the daily and the weekly. So you should be trading, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, whatever suits your style. And I'm showing you here the 1 hour as an example. So again, avoid taking any trades until we see the daily and the weekly consolidate and become either bullish or bearish. But in terms of a trading idea, I've got the fractals here. So assuming the daily and the weekly were in long positioning, you would then take a long position when the candle breaks above the fractal, and take a percentage gain or a change of direction, whether it be a moving average crossover or whatever exit strategy that suits you. So again, at the moment, it looks like it's making a bit of a retracement to the downside. It may bounce off this lower ascending trend line. We'll see how it goes in the coming hours. So to understand how to properly trade using the various strategies, subscribe to my Patreon page for exclusive access to weekly stock scans, ready to purchase using any one of the average down strategies, and we scan for stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks, and see you in the next video.